What do you think those are? You want another clue? You're by the refrigerator. You got it, girl. They're emojis. And they're magnets so we can put on the fridge. Or anywhere.
They're stickers.
Those are extra stickers. We're gonna do the magnets first so we can do the stickers later. Money.
So let's get ready to do the stickers.
That will be fun. We love stickers, don't we?
Yes.
Very nice. Yay! So if you picked one emotion to show after playing with all the stickers and magnets, what would it be? What would your emoji be? Aww. Very nice.